Hey guys, so today I made sauteed peppers and steak the vegan way, and I'm gonna start off with some plant butter by Country Crock, and then add in peppers, onion, and garlic. I had this over medium heat, and I'm just going to cook this down until the peppers get a little soft before I add in the vegan beef. I really do not like hard peppers unless it's in a salad. So I'm going to just continue to just cook it down. The beef I'm using is Gardein beef tips. I really wanted to use the Beyond Meat beef, but I could not find it in the supermarket. So I'm just going to have to settle for this. So I just added an amount that I was okay with, about half of the pack, and I just continue to cook it down. I added seasonings as well. I used salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little onion and adobo. Next, I just flipped the meat over continuously, so I would let it sit for about 5 to 10 seconds and then flip it on the other side of the meat just to give it kind of a grilled taste. And I just continued doing that until it looked brown enough. I'm not the best cook in the world. I could cook a little, but I'm still learning techniques, so don't judge me. I could have chopped the meat down a little bit more, but I just left it as it came out of the package. Next, I'm gonna put my basmati rice in the microwave for 1 minute. This is the minute rice, I believe it's called. And then I just put the meat and peppers and veggies over the rice, and it was really good. I will probably give this 7 out of 10 stars. I do wish that it was a little bit more sauce or a little something extra to it. And I can't wait to try the Beyond Meats, the beef steak. I would really like to try that. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.